She goes.
You gonna say hi?
She goes to church again.
You're not gonna talk to me, are you, Grammy?
Oh, I didn't know I was supposed to talk to you. You were trying to shut me down.
No.
Get in here so I can take your picture.
No, I don't know anything more to say. You were talking about telling Lee.
Levi.
What do you want me to do? Happy 4th of July, 2002.
Grandmother.
She's probably about 75.
Grandfather.
Hello, grandmother. What are you looking at?
Dueling cameras.
Randy.
Alright.
Uncle.
She was probably in the
Mom. Grandmother. Yeah.
One of the chefs. The other one is still working.
And this is the rest of them.
Alrighty, what are we doing now?
We're taking pictures.
Okay.
This is chef number 2. Stay. Eat. And sleep.
What are you doing?
There's Randy. He's keeping it cool, laying on the register. Poppy. And Brad in his natural state. Eat and sleep. Let's see if I can get beyond his belly. There he is. There's the real Brad. See him there?
No whiskers.
No whiskers. And Poppy's got short hair and everything, and Laura's got long hair. And they're just having a good time on the 4th of July. And Grammy and Levi, can you say something? There's Levi. And there's Grammy eating the fish. He's eating Poppy's fish so it doesn't go to waste.
Are you, have you been on the camera yet?
Yeah, a little bit, I think. But you're welcome to take Laura when she was doing stuff, and there's Brenda.
Stay unusual red shade probably there was always.
Really? There's Grandpa, and he's got his picture back. He's eating some fish.
Yeah, I eat fish.
That's good.
Yeah, good fish.
Good fish. There's the cat from hell.
And I
There.
love working in the park.
Staying awake. There's the big cat.
Watch this cat then.
Is he going to hiss at you?
Yeah. Hey, are you going to be mad at me? Huh?
Just walk up by him and see.
No, he'll get me.
Oh, come on, Brenda. I'd like to get this on camera.
You going to be mean to me, huh? Oh, get ready. I'm out here.
Brenda's a chick.
Roscoe. They hate me.
So don't be mean to the
Good,
cat.
Roscoe. Don't call him Roscoe. It's his name. Where are you going?
Well, now we know what's the matter with him.
Who's Roscoe?
Been chasing him in the house?
Cat.
Mother crocheting her.
Baby blanket for my godchild.
Mom and Dad. That's all they talk about. It's little kids and little babies and how much
There's
they love
Randy.
little babies and like
Newman.
to play with little babies. Well, they just need to get a little baby. I'm tired of hearing them talk about it. I'm gonna get one for Christmas.
Better call down the store.
You're in a hurry then. You're going to have to get on.
I'm not going to make them one for Christmas. I'm gonna get one of those store-bought prefab deals.
Better call down there and store and tell them to get ready for the tidal wave. That Brenda's getting ready to get in the pool and they're gonna run it over and it'll go down the creek. Take out
Hi,
store.
Poppy.
Somebody's gonna wake up dead.
Let's have a picture of Brad getting slapped on the camera.
There's grandmother sleeping.
Did you get a new lamp or is that lamp always been down there? Yeah.
It's always been there.
Shows you how observant I am.
Like a little house set up around Big Creek Eastern.